the real reason why champagne glasses are tall. Do you ever wonder why champagne glasses are tall? Well, there is more to it than meets the eye. Let's take a closer look and discover the real reason behind the flute and tulip's mighty height. Before we move on, be sure to subscribe to Advanced Mixology and ring the bell button so you don't miss out on awesome cocktail recipes, fun facts about your favorite drink, and bartending tips. Enhances the nosing experience. The flute and tulip glasses are created with a certain height to appreciate the bubble works in the champagne. The long stems of these glasses not only bring out an elegant look, but support the champagne's quality overall. Drinking champagne in tall glasses is a must for connoisseurs because they believe that bubbles play a big role when nosing the champagne. Also, did you know that the glass's long stem allows you to swirl the champagne to release more aroma and flavor upon drinking? The flute and tulip glasses are also narrow and tall so that you can taste the bubbles and flavor on the tip of your tongue at first sip. Enhances the fizzy element. The champagne glass's height helps regulate the abnormal amounts of carbon dioxide that shoot up at the champagne glass's highest point when the stem is tilted towards your mouth for better consumption. The stem also makes it easier for you to enjoy the champagne's fizzy element. The higher the glass, the faster the bubbles get larger as they rise. So more fizz is created from the base of the glass until it reaches the top. Then, when the bubbles pop, the aromatics and flavors sit in the air and into your nose. Besides enhancing the nosing and fizzy elements, the champagne, flute, and tulip glasses are tall to preserve the drink's best components while regulating the external factors that may influence your drinking experience. There you have it. Champagne glasses are tall for a good reason, so next time you pour one on your flute or tulip, remember the brilliance that went into the glass's structure and design. Check out the description box below for more related content about the best champagne glasses and the science behind champagne bubbles. Till next time.